Keeping your cool, navigating emotions in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful and complex world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase that pops up in conversations, movies, and books. Don't lose your cool. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insight into English-speaking culture's attitudes towards emotions and self-control. Don't lose your cool is an idiomatic expression in English. Idioms are phrases where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. To lose your cool means to become upset, angry, or flustered, losing your calm demeanor in the process. Therefore, when someone tells you to don't lose your cool, they are advising you to stay calm, remain composed, and not let emotions take over, especially in stressful or challenging situations. This phrase is commonly used in casual and formal conversations alike. It can serve as a piece of advice or a gentle warning, depending on the context. For instance, in a heated debate, a friend might remind you, "Don't lose your cool. We're just discussing, not arguing." Before a job interview, someone might say, "Don't lose your cool. You've got this," as a way to encourage calmness and confidence. Understanding when and how to use this phrase can greatly enhance your ability to communicate effectively in English. The emphasis on maintaining composure reflects a broader cultural value placed on self-control and emotional intelligence in many English-speaking societies. It suggests a preference for handling situations with a level head rather than succumbing to immediate emotional reactions. Recognizing the cultural underpinnings of such phrases can deepen your comprehension of English and its speaker's worldview. English is rich with idioms that convey similar meanings. Familiarizing yourself with these can enrich your conversational skills. Here are a few. Keep your cool. Stay calm under pressure. Stay composed. Maintain your calmness and control over your emotions. Keep a level head. Stay rational and don't let emotions cloud your judgment. These expressions are interchangeable in many contexts, highlighting the importance of calmness and self-control in communication. We hope this exploration of "Don't lose your cool" has not only expanded your vocabulary but also offered a glimpse into the cultural nuances that shape the English language. Remember, mastering a language is not just about learning words and grammar. It's about understanding the emotions and values conveyed through those words. Keep practicing, and don't lose your cool on your language learning journey. See you in the next video.